Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can delete YouTube videos into your YouTube. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First, you just need to go over into your Google Chrome, and then here you just need to go for YouTube. You can simply search, or you can go from these shortcuts. And then if you just come over and click on this profile icon, and then you will get an option called YouTube Studio. So click on that. And then if you click on continue, if you have a YouTube account and if you want to delete the video, just go into the content. And if you find here a bunch of videos, but I have only one video and I want to delete it. For that, I just simply click on this three dot button and then click on delete forever. Click on that. And here you just need to check, I understand that deleting the video is permanent and I will lose all access to audios and video analytics. So if you click on delete forever, click on that and it will be deleted for the lifetime into your YouTube. So this is how you can delete YouTube videos in your YouTube. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you in other videos. Till then, goodbye.